What's good, my people? Back again with another one, another how to lace. Today we've got the New Balance 2010 or 2010 on, and I'm just going to show you how to do the standard factory lace. So we've got the laces here. These are the normal New Balance laces that are used on like nearly every pair. Let's just get straight into it without waffling. So the first bit, sometimes I find a bit difficult doing it on camera, but we'll try and get through it. Yeah, that's a bit difficult, ain't it? It's gone underneath the tongue. We're having issues already. There we go. Oh, hurry up, you're making me look like I haven't done laces in my life. Nope. Alright, let's just do it another way. Let's pull it through. Blimey, it's difficult. There we go, we're getting somewhere. And then this bit as well. Don't go underneath. Wow, that was difficult. I tried to style it out like it wouldn't be difficult, or I've had difficulty sometime and this pair won't be difficult. I was wrong. So the next bit you do is very simple. You get your two lace tips, you grab the pair like this, and then you just pull it the whole way, and then you've got your first bit. Step one done. Step two, just going to pull the lace underneath and out. So underneath and out, and then you're going to carry on doing that for the rest of the holes. Underneath and out, underneath and out. So once you've got 3 crosses, 1, 2, 3, you can then put it through this bit. If you don't want to, you definitely can, but I wouldn't want to do it like that because the tongue will move around a bit too much. It won't be like locked in properly. And then we'll do it again through here and out. There you go. If you wanted to tie them up like this, you definitely can. Kind of like an old school way. I've done that wrong, but it's just too much lace for me hanging around, so I don't really like it like that. I'm gonna go to the next hole right there. New Balance, one of the shoes that I have to lace up more or less to the top, and then there we go. So you got that New Balance 2002R factory lace sorted. For these, won't do a lace swap or anything like that. Just got the standard laces in. I think they look good like that. No need to change it. Don't fix what's broken. But yeah, my people, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other content. And most importantly, take care, my people.